Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today I am going to explain you about the topic payment terms. Payment terms are used to automatically create invoice installments. By defining the same, you can create multi levels of installment as well as multiple levels of discounts also. What is payment term? You can say that it is the time after what time payment is due. Like, for example, if payment term is immediate, it means payment is due for today, that is immediate. And if payment is term is net 30, then you can say that payment is due in 30 days. Now, default payment terms. Payment terms get defaulted. How? If you have identifying purchase order, then payment terms get defaulted from there. If you don't have identifying purchase order, then the payment terms get default from the supplier side. As while creating the supplier, we also create supplier side and at that time we give the payment term. So from there, from supplier side, payment terms get defaulted. And if you don't have identifying purchase order or supplier side don't have any payment term there, then you can just give the payment term at the time of creation of the invoices. Now the components of payment terms. Payment terms include payment terms line. That is nothing, but we can call that it's an installment line. For each payment term line, we can give three levels of discount. Now, for an example, we have a payment term of net 30, that is, amount is due in 30 days. Now, the bifurcation of the same, like the first installment is due for 25% to pay in 5 days. Now, for this installment, you can give three levels of discount. Like if payment is done within 2 days, 5% discount is available. If done within 3 days, 3% of discount is available. And after that, no discount is available. Likewise, second installment is also due for 25% to be paid within 10 days. So for that also, three levels of discount is available. Like paid within 5 days, 3% discount available. Within 7 days, 2% discount is available. And after that, no discount is available. Now, here is one more line of installment due for 50% to be paid within 15 days. For this also, you can give three levels of discount, but it is not mandatory. You can restrict it to one level or two level also. So here I have given only two levels of discount. Like for example, if payment is done within 7 days, 2% discount is available. After that, no discount is available. Now we will go to the application and we will see how it is done. After logging to the application, go to setup and maintenance. Then from task list, go to manage implementation projects. Now here, search and select the project in which you are working. Now here in the taskbar, search for the task manage payment terms. Click on this, manage payment terms, go to task. Now for creating a new payment term, click on this add icon. Now here give the name of your payment term. Like if you're creating immediate payment term, give name here anything like I'm giving Dell immediate. Now for giving the installment, click on this add icon. As it is immediate 100% is due and days will be 0. As it is an immediate payment term, there is no requirement for discount. So just save and close the same. You can see that payment term of Dell immediate has been created. In the same manner, we will uh, create one more payment term of net 30. So just click on this add icon. Give the name like I'm giving here net 30. Now for adding the installments, click on this add icon. Like first installment is due for 25% amount to be paid within 5 days. And for this installment, you can give 3 levels of discount. First discount, second discount, third discount. So like 5% discount for 2 days, if paid within 2 days, 3% discount if paid within 3 days. After that, no discount is available. If you want, you can give third discount also. It basically depends upon the requirement. For each installment line, you can give 3 levels of discount here. I have given 2, you can give 3 also. Now for adding one more installment, click on add icon, like 25% due to be paid within 10 days. Now for this installment line, you can give discount here. This is not mandatory. If you want to give discount line, you can give. If you don't want to, you can just save and close directly without giving this discount level. But I'm giving here like 3% discount for 5 days, 2% discount for 6 days, and beyond that, no discount is available. In the same manner, if you want to add one more installment of 50% amount due to be paid within 15 days, here you can give the discount for the same. Like if paid within 7 days, discount will be 2%. And if paid beyond that, no discount is available. So this is how you can create a payment term. Now, just click on save and close here. You can see that net 30 is coming. So this is how we have created the payment terms in the application. Thank you.